Almost every animated logo and title card you've seen came out of Adobe After Effects. It's powerful and you rent it forever. Premation is a free one you actually own. Premation is a full desktop app that does the same kind of work as After Effects, and it opens straight into the editor with no account and nothing to sign up for. The catch with After Effects is the subscription. You pay every month, and when you stop, it's gone. Premation opens with the same panels and shortcuts, so if you know After Effects, you already know this. Except Premation is free, and it's yours on your own machine. Here's the genuinely clever part. In most animation tools, the preview is a rough approximation, and the export is a separate render, so the file can look a little different from what you scrubbed. Premation draws both with one engine. Your preview and your export run the same code on the same frames, and it times each frame by its number. Every frame's moment is its number divided by the frame rate, and the frame rate is just how many still pictures make 1 second of video. Same math every time. So the preview is the finished frame, and export the same project tomorrow, and you get the exact same video, frame for frame. So what makes Premation genuinely yours is open source. The whole editor's code is public and free, so you can run it on your own machine, and no company can ever switch it off or take it away. There's also an AI helper that builds animations from a plain English description. It's part of the ready-made cloud app, separate from the open build. And Premation is brand new, built by one person. The editor already does a huge amount, and it's aimed at replacing After Effects. It's just early on the way there. It's made by a solo developer named John. The open version is free to run yourself for good, and the ready-made cloud app is free to start. So there's a free After Effects you actually own, where the frame you preview is exactly the frame you get.